Welcome to our final video for the month of October. This week our focus is going to be using thrifted finds to make Addams Family costumes. There are a few incarnations like the new movie, the movie from the 90s, or the old television show. We're going to begin with Wednesday, whose costume is a simple black dress with a white collar and her long braids. You might get lucky and find exactly what you're looking for at the store, but since this is a thrifting challenge, I'm going to show you how to make it on your own. I began by finding a sleeveless black dress. I then found a long-sleeved black sweater in a similar shade of black to the dress, and a white collared dress shirt. We're going to be making a sweater sort of similar to this. So first remove part of the collar and the cuffs. I put my shirt on the mannequin so I could line it up properly with the sweater and then pinned it in place. I then hand sewed it in place around the collar. I also made a couple of minor alterations like rehemming the dress with stitch witchery and shortening the straps of the dress, but once that was done, I just added my leggings and my boots and my wig and had my complete Wednesday Addams costume. Gomez has a couple of different incarnations. Sometimes he's wearing a pinstriped suit, sometimes it's a black suit, sometimes it's a red smoking jacket. So we began by finding a coat that we liked, making sure that it had room for movement, and found a pair of matching pants. And, of course, a white shirt and a black tie. Put it all together with your wig and mustache and you've got a complete Gomez outfit. Morticia's signature is her long floor-length black dress and her long black hair. So our journey began with a long-sleeved, long black t-shirt dress, about 2 yards of crushed tulle, and some black trim. I began by adding a plunging V neckline and then stitched it in place and added the sparkly trim over where I stitched. Next, I folded my tulle a couple of times and cut it into long triangular petals, which I attached to the dress, stitching a straight line down, and then connected the triangle edges to each other to create the bottom of our dress. With all of the petals connected, all you have to do is add your long black wig and you have your completed Morticia Addams dress. Pugsley's signature look is a striped shirt with black shorts and black shoes. So I began with a white shirt and a pair of black shorts. Now you can use the same trick we used for Beetlejuice, which is laying painter's tape on the garment and then spray painting, but I chose to hand paint it for a little bit more of a cartoonish look. Put it all together and you have your completed Pugsley outfit. Put it all together and you have a wonderful creepy and kooky family costume. These costumes of course work individually or as couple costumes. For more costumes from the season, check out our blogs and earlier vlogs. Or you can check out my Facebook page, Shelbeanie Cosplay, Instagram at Shelbeanie Cosplay, or my Twitter at Shelbeanie. It's been a pleasure costuming with you this season, and thank you for shopping at Palmetto Goodwill for your Halloween costuming needs.